Hi, this is the 2005 Boulton 18-footer with a 150 Yamaha welded aluminum. I'm going to give you a walk around, show you all the look of the boat. If there's any potential scratches or blemishes, we'll see them. It's a pretty clean boat, well taken care of. A little bit of dust from the street, but nothing that will clean up well. Okay. Good tread on the tires still. Good solid trailer. Practically brand new top, still in good condition. Spare tire, brand new. A little bit of a scrape there. That's about it. On here. Okay, let's look at the other side. Storage box, Columbia River anchor system, float ball, rope, usual stuff. Nice railings. Windshield wiper for the driver, walk-through door. A little bit of a scratch there. Got one here, not too deep. The rest looks pretty good. Yamaha 6 4-stroke. Yamaha 150, the high pressure direct injection. It's a beautiful motor. Power tilt and trim, electric start. Take a look inside. Storage boxes under both seats. Upholstery is like new. You got GPS, Garmin, Fishfiner, Garmin, VHF radio. No cosmetic damage at all. It's in very nice shape. Little storage down there, and you got some rod holders, throw cushion, life jackets, accessories, extinguisher, all your safety items, spare spark plugs and some manuals. Very nice top, in good condition. Nice area, nice deck space for fishing. Rocket launchers, pole holders, paddle, anything you need for to be legal. You got a step ladder for outside.